Get your systems in place, because that is one of the systems. Every system's important, but without accounts receivables and being able to collect, your business is not going to survive. You could be the best carpenter, but if you suck at collecting money, you're done. We have systems, we have evolved systems at all levels, from construction voucher control. What does that mean to you as a contractor? It means you don't have to worry about becoming a collection agency to pick up money, or the customer didn't pay, or they don't have enough funds when they splurged on a big screen TV instead of paying you. So construction voucher control, we have implemented construction voucher controls on projects that are 100,000 plus. That means I don't become a collection agency. I don't become a mad contractor chasing money. So if the client and I don't have to talk about money, we're going to be discussing paint colors. You're going to have the ability to upsell, which goes back to change orders. Change orders cause a lot of problems in the industry as a whole. No matter if you're an electrician or if you're a general contractor or if you're a painter, you show up to work and the customers want you to do more. So construction voucher control allows you to write up a change order, they approve it, and they fund it up front. And all you have to do is draw against it. So you don't have to worry about the money being there. You could be the best carpenter in the world, but you need some business 101 to succeed. Contracting is a very harsh industry in which 80% of people fail within 5 to 7 years. I am fortunate enough that May 1st is our 10-year anniversary. 50% of businesses fail in the first 5 years. The other 50 fail within 8 years. And out of 10, only 1 or 2 are left standing for a decade. So get it together. Get your systems in place, because that is one of the systems. Every system's important, but without accounts receivables and being able to collect, your business is not going to survive. You could be the best carpenter, but if you suck at collecting money, you're done. Now, that's one of the systems. Construction voucher control will alleviate a lot of headaches. The banks do it. Follow their model.